Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saksham and today we have a new product with us which is a condenser microphone, okay? As you can see over here, this is a professional microphone, but this is a condenser microphone which is used in studios for recording songs and many other recording purposes, okay? This is used for shooting videos and other purposes. It is very useful and this is collectively known as condenser microphone, okay? And one more thing, this microphone right here, this microphone also works with your mobile and laptop, okay? So it's not necessary that you need to have a professional camera or huge kind of cameras to operate this microphone, okay? It can also work with your mobile or smartphone, okay? Okay guys, so here is our packaging of the professional microphone, okay? And you can find many varieties of condenser microphone, but I think that this is one of the best budget for you guys, okay? Let's now unbox it. Okay, so here it is. As you guys can see, it comes in a nice foam wrap so the mic doesn't get damaged. And here are some of the properties or uses of this mic. You can also say like kind of manual. Okay, so here these are the parts of our microphone, okay? So let's check them one by one. So here first of all we have a filter, okay? This is basically a wind filter which you guys can see mostly people they are using this while doing live streams or any kind of teaching videos, you know, or when they are sitting in front of computer. Then you can see that here the mic is attached and here from that side they speak, right? They keep this filter like this and they speak from here, right? So you might have seen in live streams you yeah, so this is that only. This filters your sound so that any kind of, you know, unwanted noise doesn't goes into inside mic from your mouth, and only your clear voice will only go through the mic, okay? So that's why this is needed. Then the next thing that we have is, okay, let's see first of all the mic only, okay? So here, yeah, this is our condenser mic, okay? See, this is our condenser mic, okay? As you can see, there is our mic inside this steel, and this all is metal, okay? So this is very heavy, as you guys can see. While we are speaking in this mic, then don't speak from the top part, okay? Because your volume won't go. You have to speak from this side, okay? Here is given its port for connecting its wire, and here next we have is this is that cable which is used to connect this condenser microphone. We can just attach this one easily over here in this microphone, okay? It is attached. Here is lock system also, so that's why your this won't come out. And even when you are shaking this wire a lot, then also your sound won't be affected, okay? Because here is lock system, so that's why it won't come out like this. We have to just push it inside hard like this and it is locked, so now it won't come out, okay? Okay, so the next thing that we have here is this. Now this is a wind foam, okay, which most of you guys know. In every mic there will be given wind foam, okay? Even in the smallest mic also you can see there is a small wind foam, okay? That wind foam is used to filter out all the sounds of wind, okay, from your speaking. Like when you speak and you record from a smartphone, then you may notice that the wind sounds also are there, okay? And other background noise also are there, but this wind filter will filter that all out and only your clear voice will be recorded. So now this wind filter is very easy to attach. As you can see, here is given a hole also, so this hole will directly go inside this and our mic will look something like this, okay? You can buy like this varieties of color and you can attach it similar way, okay, inside here. Our next thing what we have is, let's check out this one, okay? So this is the holder of our mic, okay? Now as you guys know, while recording anything or while performing any types of music concert, then what we do is we don't hold the mic in our hand, right? Because we have to do other works also. For example, if I'm recording something on my laptop and then I have to work on the laptop, right? But I also have to record my voice, then what I will do, I can't hold the mic like this and stay. So that's why this is a mic holder, okay? So now what it does, I will show it to you. This mic holder, as you can see, it is also full metal. This is full metal and this is kind of threads. Let me focus it for you. Here this is a thread types of like elastic type of, so that will help your mic to move here and there also like this a bit only. and this is full metal. Okay, now in if you buy a cheap kind of condenser mic, then you will find these products in plastic, okay, which will broke easily. And here this part is used to attach our stand, which I will show you if further. First of all, let us see how to attach our mic. Okay, so it is very simple. Here this part, as you can see here, this part has came out, right? So this is a clip. Basically we can just press it like this and this part will open. As you guys can see, this part has opened little bit. So then in that case we can attach our mic, because now we cannot attach right inside. Now it is very tight, so we will just open it like this and then we will attach our mic over here like this. Okay, done, our mic is attached. So now let's take out this stand also. Now this stand is the main thing, okay, because in condenser microphone we need to put our mic somewhere, right? So we can't just put it in our hand, that's why we need this stand. Okay, so this stand is very important part of a condenser mic. Here as you guys can see, the stand is something like this. We can also extend it up to this much. As you guys can see, from here to here, this much length it has. When you attach this one in table, and then it will automatically come up like this, see. And it is also very simple to it is also very simple to adjust it, okay, because it is very lightweighted because of the springs, so you won't have any difficulty in adjusting this also. Now how to attach this one here is, there are two ports. One is this kind of screw port, here you will get here this one, right? So this is a screw port, and the next end what you will get to see is this kind of hole only. Okay, as you guys can see, there is nothing but just a hole inside it. So this port, this one is used to attach it in our table. Okay, now not by piercing a hole in our table, not like that, there is different part for that, but this part is used to attach it in our table. So don't use this part, okay, the one with the screw part here, this one, that one part we have to attach it in our mic here like this. Okay, so first of all let us take out our mic so it will be easier for us. Here our mic, we will take it out like this, simple, and we will attach this one first. Okay, so here as you guys can see, both has screw, so we will just tighten it. Now if you want, you can also adjust this this adjustments also you can do by tightening this nut bolt. Okay, as you can see, when you are already in a fixed position, then if you don't want this one part to move, then you can just tighten these nut bolts and adjust it. Okay, then it won't move. And here also same, here also if you want, then you can move these one parts, or else if you don't want, then you can just use this one nut bolt to tighten it. Okay, okay, so now let us attach our condenser mic also over here. Okay, here like this, and attached. Okay, done. So now you guys can see that I'm doing this much, but it won't fall, okay, the mic. So it may be going little down because I haven't tied the screw much. So if you tight it very tightly, then it won't go down. Okay, like, okay, I will do it like this a bit tightly. Okay, now as you guys can see, so it won't fall. Okay, there is no chance of falling because this holder is very strong. Okay, and let's have a look at this one. Okay, so here carefully you have to take it out. Here you will get a small screw like this star shaped screw. Here you guys can see over here, this star shaped screw you will get one. This is also needed, and so let's keep it here. And this is the main part which we need for this stand. Okay, or you can also say tripod. Okay, here we have got this moving rod also inside the screw, so it will be easier to unscrew and screw the nut bolts. And now we will attach it. Okay, so now its use has came, because now with this help of star shaped screw we are going to tighten this one. Okay, if you buy this one, you can also use this microphone in your mobile phones. Okay, so most of the people, they say that these microphones cannot be adjusted in the mobile phone or smartphone, but yeah, you can do it easily. Okay, just buy these kind of cables, because here also as you guys can see, let me show you here these microphone cables. Okay, so this is the microphone's cable, right? So here why this can't be used in mobile is, you guys can have a closer look over here. This is a 2-pin socket. Okay, like you can see over here, this has, sorry, not 2 pin, 2 ring. Okay, here you can see there are 2 black rings, right? So in our smartphone 2 black rings is not supported, okay, for the microphone. So that's why these, if you put it in the mobile phone, like headphone jack of the mobile phone, then it may show notification also that a device is connected, and the headphone symbol also it will show, but it won't work because these are not supported by our mobile phones. Okay, so that's why you need to buy these ones, the one with the 3 pins. You guys can have a closer look, these ones. Okay, let me focus it for you. Yeah, these ones, right? So here, as you guys can see, here are 3 pins, 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, not pins, rings. 3 rings, okay, 1, 2 and 3 black rings. So in that one, these are only supported by our mobile phones. Okay, so that's why you need to buy this one. Then only you can use this microphone. Okay, so you can't use this 2 rings one. Okay, that's why this is only used in amplifiers. So you need to buy these converters to use it in your microphone, use it in your smartphone. Okay, and these microphones, sorry, these converters can also be used in your laptops also. Okay, if you want to use this microphone in your laptop, you can buy these converters also. It works for all. But if you want, you can buy this another kind of these converters also, which is also similar. This is also headphone and microphone. As you can see, headphone and microphone into a single USB. Okay, this is a USB, so it is mostly suited for laptop only. If you want to use only for laptop, then you can buy this USB one. Or if you want to use this microphone for all, mobile also, laptop also, everywhere, then you can buy this kind of. Okay guys, so the sound which you are hearing now is the normal sound. Okay, I have not put any microphone over there, so this is my normal sound when I am recording a video. Okay, as you guys can hear. Now I will be showing you by attaching this condenser mic and now recording the sound. Okay, now this sound which you are hearing is from this condenser mic. Okay, we have connected it in our mobile. Okay, now see, if I am tapping it, then the sound bar will also go up. Okay, as you guys can see over here in your screen, these small dots which are going up, those are the proof that our condenser mic is connected. Now this sound also which you are hearing, it is from the condenser mic. Okay, as you can hear, it is very clear and there is not any unnecessary sound also like it was when we were recording from mobile. Okay, pure sound. Okay, see, as you guys can see. Okay guys, if you like today's video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please say me in the comment box also if you like this condenser mic or not. And if you are also deciding to buy this condenser mic, I will give the link in the description. Please go and check it out. And if you have any doubts related to this mic, then please ask me in the comment box. I will be ready to answer. So thank you for watching. We'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.